Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today we are going to talk about inventory files in Ansible. What are those? These are files that we will use in Ansible to specify a set of servers or remote machines that we are going to interact with, and we can create even subgroups inside of those inventory files. Ansible supports INI files or INI formats and also YAML. But also this feature can be extended by using another plugins, so Ansible can support another inventory files. But for now, I'm going to use the INI format. For this one, I'm going to create a new file, and I'm going to specify a group by using the square brackets. Here we can define our production environment, for example, and also I can define my test environment and my dev environment. Okay, I'm going to do the same for dev. As you can see, I'm using the same IP address because I only have one node, one remote node, but you can specify as many IPs as you have on each subgroup. I'm going to save it, and I'm going to use Ansible to ping this remote server. I'm going to use Ansible command, the option I, which is the inventory, and the host, which is my inventory file in a INI format. The next part, I'm going to specify which group I need to ping, or I need to run the remote command. But for now, I'm going to use the option all, and I'm going to use the ping module in Ansible. Okay, my local machine is trying to connect to the remote machine, and it got succeed. As you can see, the remote machine just answered me, and despite I'm using the all option, here I'm seeing only one IP address because the IP address is the same for the three environments. But if you can only reach out to one group from the inventory file, you can specify right here. Let's say I'm going to ping only the dev servers. So I can do this. And as you can see, the output is the same because it is responding correctly. Um, One of the requirements for this to work is that you need to enable the SSH connection to those remote machines without password by using the SSH keys. So, okay, this is all for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know your comments. Thanks.